You have clicked this video. That means a lot to me, and that means there is a big chance or likelihood that you've had the thought of visiting an exhibition, interact with product suppliers, or have an intention of at least visiting China for business. You have decided to start a business, scale up your business, or make some changes to currently how you run your business. What I'll be doing today is to condense over a decade's worth of product sourcing experience and attending multiple exhibitions in China to help you understand the processes and also to help you ensure you source your product from China the right way. So here are 10 critical questions you need to ask your product supplier at an exhibition in China or during whenever you make contact with one or multiple suppliers in China. 1. Quality control. Now, you could ask your supplier, what quality control measures do you have in place to ensure product consistency and also reliability? By asking this question, you should know if the supplier has global certifications that adhere to international standards. Now, these certifications are like the ISO, ISO, CE, FCC, or FDA, or any other that is relevant to your market or country. This ensures products comply with safety, environmental, or industry-specific regulations. This helps you avoid legal or any reputational risks. Chinese suppliers do very often compete on price, which can lead to quality compromises. So asking your supplier about their quality assurance literally ensures product quality and reduces potential defects while safeguarding your brand's reputation. Next up is customization options. Can you provide details on how customizable your products are? And what is the minimum order quantity for custom designs? Minimum order quantity being the MOQ. This question will highlight the flexibility and adaptability of the supplier to design changes or incorporate some unique material requests. It also brings to light the ability to incorporate new tech or features that would ensure your product's uniqueness, compliance, and most importantly, to align with your brand's vision. Number 3, lead times. What you could ask your supplier is, what are your lead times for production and delivery, and how do you handle delays during peak seasons? Now, lead time, simply put, is how long it's going to take for the production of your products to be completed from start to finish. Now, you should know customization impacts production timelines. Understanding this helps to plan inventory and delivery schedules. This question specifically helps you to meet your seasonal or market-specific demands, avoiding missed opportunities while assessing suppliers' ability to handle rush orders or scale production as needed. Next is pricing. How do you structure your pricing, including additional costs for shipping, tariffs, or taxes? Are there discounts for bulk orders? This is a problem many businesses face when dealing with supplies from China. Hidden costs. By asking this vital question, you get a clear breakdown that provides a basis for negotiating better terms. This also helps you compare accurate prices with multiple suppliers effectively. Questions about pricing also helps you know how customization may impact the final pricing and give you insight into discounts or promo prices when you buy big or small quantities. Now, you can make well-informed decisions, optimize costs, and build an honest relationship with your supplier when you prioritize pricing transparency. What sustainable practices do you implement in your manufacturing process, and how do you ensure that your products are environmentally friendly? This is a crucial question if you have an eco-conscious consumer base. Asking this question allows you to find out if the supplier's practices align with ethical, environmental, and market demands. Sustainable practices ensure the supplier minimizes environmental impact through eco-friendly materials, energy efficiency, and waste reduction, which can enhance your brand's reputation. Additionally, sustainable practices often lead to long-term cost savings through resource efficiency and innovation and contribute to global goals. After-sales support. What kind of after-sales support do you offer, including warranty policies and handling returns or exchanges? Effective after-sales support helps address defects or operational challenges, and also ensures compliance with contractual obligations and provides peace of mind, knowing the supplier stands behind their products. Now, reliable after-sales service should cover warranties, tech support, and spare parts availability. Communication channels. You could ask the supplier, what is your preferred method of communication during the ordering process? And how quickly can I expect responses to my inquiries? Assessing communication tools such as email, WhatsApp, or WeChat reveals the supplier's ability to respond promptly to inquiries or changes. Now, this way you can ensure efficient collaboration and reduce risks. Market trends. Now, what you need to ask your supplier is, what current market trends do you see influencing customer or consumer preferences? And how are you adapting your product offerings to meet these trends? Now, this might seem like a trivial question, but this is crucial to knowing how your supplier can adapt to market trends for ensuring competitiveness. Your supplier's ability to stay updated with industry trends, tech advancements, and consumer preferences reflects their innovation and flexibility capacity. This will ensure you receive products that are relevant, modern, and aligned with market demands. Additionally, a supplier who adapts to trends can offer cost-effective solutions, improved product features, and faster time to market scheduling, also helping the clients meet evolving customer demands. Compliance and certifications. You can ask your supplier, what certifications do your product hold to comply with international safety, quality standards, and can you provide these documentation? Certifications like ISO, CE, or RoHS demonstrate the supplier's commitment to quality control, environmental responsibility, and ethical practices, thus reducing your risk of defects or legal issues. By verifying certifications and compliance, clients can ensure they receive high quality and legally compliant products. Now, this in turn protects your brand reputation and build sustainable, risk-free supply chain. Number 10, client testimonials. Now, you can ask your supplier, can you share success stories or testimonials from other clients you have? Testimonials offer real-world evidence of your supplier's ability to meet deadlines, maintain product standards, and handle challenges, helping you to assess their credibility. They also reveal the supplier's experience in working with similar businesses or industries, ensuring they understand specific needs and expectations. Positive feedback or positive reviews from clients build trust and confidence, while any recurring issues or negative feedback in testimonials can serve as red flags. Do kindly skip on to the next supplier. These questions will not only help you gather valuable information from suppliers, but also demonstrate your commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. If you did find this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, kindly subscribe to the channel and forward to somebody that might find it useful. To the next episode, dream big and most importantly, take action.